Today we're going to change a tail light bulb in this car. It's a Mk5 Golf. I'm going to show you roughly where you have to go to here. You're going to have to pull this out, and you can see in there's two bolts. I have already taken them off. I have them sitting down here just for the speed of things. And then basically what you got to do is pull the tail light out. Just do that in a second. Okay, so we've took the bolts out. Basically you just pull the tail light out. Then we'll remove the wire. So the wire is removed by pushing this up, and that releases it from in here. So now we've got to take the bulb out, and you take out the little bit with the bulbs on it. It just pops into place, but as a little tip, slide the screwdriver down the back of that and it releases these little clamps. That lets it pop out and then lets it clip back in. So all you do then is basically take out the offending bulb and just turn it, replace it in with the new one. Oh, wrong way around. And then push everything back together again and rebuild it. It's quite okay. We've got our bulb holder out, and the way the bulb goes in, you'll see the two wee prongs on the sides of the bulb. That just slits in there, and once you slot it in, turn it, and that's it held. So basically what we're going to do now is rebuild all that we've took apart. So set our tail light up the way it's going to go. This is the way it slides in. And you hear that little click, that's it held into place. So now we're going to just slot it back into its place, which should be simple enough. If we just, that's it in. What we're going to do now is put on the nuts and tighten them, and basically that's it, good to go again. So pop the cloth back in when we're finished. All you really need is a screwdriver like that for popping the bulbs out, and I just stuck a socket on this to turn like a screwdriver, so that helps getting them on and off that wee bit faster, because a spanner sometimes takes a lot of time getting all the sideway movements. So that's us, that's our bulb changed and ready to go again. Thanks for watching. Give us a wee like and subscribe. Okie dokie.